So if you're a fashion designer and you are looking for workers, so this video is for you. So just pay close attention to the details I will release in this video so that you will not fall prey to these scammers. Now, most people by this time, they are looking for workers, job men, people that will help them work for the season, or people that they can even employ for a very long time. So this is the time some scammers pretend and disguise as workers. They will first of all go through your page, go to your profile. They will see that obviously you will need workers, and this is the season most tellers will be looking out for workers. So what they will do is they will send you a message. They will tell you that they are looking for where to work, and because of you have been looking for workers for a very long time, you will jump into the offer. And once you request them to send their designs or the styles they have made, they will send you designs that are mouth-watering, that are very perfect, that are ideal. They will tell you they serve unisex, they serve male and female, so that there will be no way you wouldn't need a worker that sews unisex. Like, they will make it look so enticing, and you will lose guard. So now one met me some time ago, and asked for transportation, which I sent to him genuinely. I sent him, I think, 8,000 or 6,000 to come. And when the money entered his account, the guy blocked me. And my instincts told me that this guy could be a scammer, but I didn't reason it that way. So I just sent, and that was a long time ago though. Then since then, I have been very cautious and very careful. So today, someone sends me a message that he's a worker, that he's a designer, that he wants where he'll be working. I said, okay, send me your designs. Omo, the guy sent me corsets, sent me senator, sent me a whole lot. I said, how long have you been sewing? He said, for 6 years. I said, you're the one that made all of these things? He said, yes. I said, where have you been working? He said, it's somewhere in Owerri. And they will make sure that they know your location so that it will look enticing. And you will be, okay, I'll come over. Now, they go as far as even begging for 1,500 or 2,000. Then I said, okay, yeah, find a way, come to my place. I gave him my address. He said I should give him money for transportation. I said, enter moto with the last one you have. When you drop to my junction, enter a bike. I'll wait for you at the junction, then I will pick you up and then pay for the bike. He said, okay. So I was happy. I was happy, but then behind the scene, I was like, I pray this is real. I was having this doubt that this guy is not real, because how can you? Because his pictures, he's so young, he sews corsets, he sews suits. He will say he sews suits, he sews male clothes. I mean, how many years did you learn this job that you can sew all of these things alone? At least not less than 6 to 7 years. You can perfect your craft in all of these things. Now, the funny thing is, the moment they notice that you're no longer tapping to the tune, you are no longer interested, or you are not sending money immediately that they demanded, they will go and delete all the chats. I will show you the chats. The guy deleted everything that he sent to me. He deleted everything he sent to me. So how did I even figure out that this guy might be a scammer? My Truecaller dictates any WhatsApp message that enters my phone, because my Truecaller is installed in my big phone, the one I use in chatting, right? So even if you didn't tell me your name, my Truecaller will tell me your name. So what my Truecaller told me was, I think, Ade driver. So I'm not saying, how did this Ade driver turn to be a designer? I said, okay, maybe someone helped him to register his SIM card, or maybe he took someone's phone to install WhatsApp. I was just thinking aloud. Now, the moment I now asked him to come, he started to withdraw. I said, if you come, I will give you the money, both the one you used to come and the one you are going to use to go, because I will employ you. And they will make the payment to be mouth-watering. I asked him, how much were they paying you in your former place? He said 50K. 50K for a month, and you're showing all of this thing. He said, yes. Wow, that is so cheap. So I was even going to offer to pay him more, or higher. So now, when he deleted those chats, I said, okay, this guy wants to play a game. Let me play along with him. So I used my second WhatsApp number, gave him some minutes. I sent him a chat from another number. I said, guy, how far? Do you still sew? He said, yes. I said, okay, where are you? He said he's in Port Harcourt. But someone told me he was in Ikenebu. He's not in Port Harcourt, under 1 hour. So I said, okay. I said, come to Rumola. I gave him a wrong address. Come to Rumola by flyover. I'll wait for you there. I'll pick you up. He said, she sent him money for transportation. I said, okay, don't worry. Where are you? He told me he's at somewhere. I think he called one name like that. I said, okay, I'm coming. He said I should not want to call. I should give him chance to come. I can come and meet me there. I said, how much do you need? He said I should send 2K for transportation. I told him, guy, my phone doesn't do transfer. I will come and pick you and I will give you the money cash. Immediately he went to my chat and wiped off everything he had sent from the beginning. So why am I saying this to us? For us to be careful and be vigilant in this critical time, because most people that are looking for tellers or designers are they're not, you know, they may not be aware of this situation, and they might fall prey to these scammers. These guys are not even tellers; they are just scammers using tailoring, because these scammers can use anything to scam people. They know that if you have a good worker, you will send money, the person will come, all of those stuff. So just be careful out there and make sure you install Truecaller in your phone, especially this seasonal period, right? You can get it on Play Store. You know, I use a premium version, the one I paid for. You know, so if you have money, you can pay for it or get it on Play Store. So, having said this, this is all I want to share with us. So I will try to attach the charts on the screen and the number of the guy, so that you'll be careful of this number in case he sends you a message or WhatsApp or even call you. So, thanks guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.